Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are going to solve x dot x dot x minus x dot x equal x dot x. So here's a beautiful factorization problem. Here dot means multiplication. So we can write this x dot x as x cube minus x dot x as x square equal x dot x as x square. Now bring all the terms together. So x cube minus x square equals 0. So x cube minus 2x square equals 0. Now factor out. We can take x square as common. So this becomes x minus 2 equals 0. Now put both the factors equals to 0. So first x square equals 0. So this is double root. So here x is 0 and x minus 2 equals 0. So x is 2. So the final answer is x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 2. Simple factorization often give powerful insights. So comment which one you got. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.